Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all healthy and in a Christmas mood already. In this video I'll show you one of my recent drawings which helped me to stay calm and to restore my inner peace in this holiday season. There are still so many things going on and bring such a chaos to our lives, but let's create a peaceful pace in here. For this drawing I use an ordinary sketchbook with a smooth surface of paper, graphite pencils, eraser, blending stump and a soft paintbrush for softening. In case you would like to watch my real-time videos and narrated versions, including the materials I use, please check out my Patreon. Hopefully you'll find my little tutorials helpful. It's also a way to support my work I share here on YouTube or my Instagram account. My idea was to create a realistic drawing which is gradually fading away from realism to a simple line. I call it a bright memory. It's a woman or a girl running towards the sunlight. It's a representation of a self being in a mindful state, which in this work particularly comes from drawing attention to the warmth sensed through her body as the sunlight reaches her skin. I used an eraser to create this illusion of touch of the light with little highlights on the left side on the contours of her body. Also, she gets into an interaction with the wind. You can see the folds of her dress moving, following the flow of her emotions. I was trying to capture all the mood to make you identify with it. It can bring you a real feeling even though it's just an imagination or memory in your head. It can make you feel the same warmth and the same nice feeling. So you're living your imagination or just living your memory again. This is so beautiful about memories. It can be a way to replace a bad feeling with a nice one that already made you feel better in the past. Recently I felt stressed and a little stuck for a while. It happens from time to time. I just laid down on the floor to feel the support of my back and I closed my eyes. I tried to remember something delightful, and every time I do this to make myself feel better, a sunlight comes to my mind. There is no specific situation, time or place. You can experience it anywhere and anytime. There are always these sunbeams caressing my skin with a gentle care and warmth. It's kind of a light that makes you feel safe, some kind of a warm shelter, especially during the winter time. Sometimes it's hard to protect our minds from stressful thoughts and wandering elsewhere, but experience like this can help us to stay present, being aware of the soothing warmth and ourselves as well. I wish you the most delightful holidays. It's a great time to turn an attention to ourselves, to cultivate our calm and serenity, and to leave everything stressful behind.
The end of the world at the palm of my hand. When